All right, I'm here with Clara and Will, both my friends as well as longtime clients. How you guys doing?
Doing good.
Awesome.
All right, awesome. So, first question that I wanted to ask you guys, number one, how much money have you guys made directly from working with us?
In the past 12 months, we've generated 934,000 through email marketing, which is a
Great.
28% increase since last time or since we started working with you.
All right, and how are you feeling about that?
That's pretty awesome, man.
Okay. All right, question number two, what challenges were you guys facing before we started working together?
Honestly, we worked with a lot of agencies before, a lot of agencies, and we've never had a great experience. We've had a lot of bad experience or okay experiences, but working with you and your agency, I mean, honestly, it's the best agency we've ever worked with. Awesome communication, speed, and really understanding our needs. Yeah.
What was wrong with the other agencies?
A lot of it was just they had a lot of great sales calls and they promised a lot, but once it came to actually delivering, it just seemed like they didn't care as much after the sales call, or the
Hmm.
expectations just didn't align. But honestly, our what we actually received exceeded our expectations, and is honestly now the standard for everything. So whenever we're assessing an agency, we want to know, okay, who's going to be communicating with us? How fast are they going to communicate with us? What's the quality of work? And do they actually care about our brand?
Hmm. Yeah, no, 100%. And then last question that I have for y'all, what would you say to somebody who's sort of sitting on the fence about working with us?
I would say that you would want people like Max on your team or for you because one, like Will had said, you want people that actually care and will work for you. And the thing with Max and his team is that we didn't have to think about anything. Like honestly, all he did was ask us questions on what was going on the next couple of weeks, and then he would just literally take care of everything else. And that's what we love because as business owners, we have so many other things going on in the business. So, like product, ops, marketing outside of email marketing. And it was just so nice for them to just take a handle on everything. And obviously, we don't have an expertise in that. So, thank you guys for that. Another thing is that, like Will said, their communication was on point. I literally found them following up with me so many times because they just wanted to stay on top of everything. So I literally am so appreciative of their communication throughout the time that we've been working with them. And just the quality of work has been amazing. So if you are on the fence about it, I mean, you shouldn't be because they've been such an amazing team for us at Hashstash. So yeah, thank you. Also, another thing I appreciate about Skyro is that they're the most organized team that I've ever met. Like, I got a little glimpse of like their back end and how they organize their calendar and just scheduling everything. And I aspire to be just like that with our business. So, yeah, you guys are great.